Since Xiaomi popularized smartphones with the screen without frames, the truth is that the concept of the phone with the screen without frames is no such thing. Although the aspect ratio of the screen has drastically reduced the display frame, there is no phone on the market that does not have bezels. The following video tries to show us what would be a hypothetical Samsung Galaxy Z designed with a screen that fully occupies 100% of the front. Currently, only a few models have a screen ratio of 90% compared to the front of the equipment. However, the latest advances suggest that in the near future we will finally be able to see the first all-screen smartphones. Smartphones whose frontal is dominated from top to bottom by a display without frames, without real bezels. This is how they imagine a hypothetical Samsung Galaxy Z, and this video shows us in advance of its conceptual design. While Samsung already has the Samsung Z, a family of devices that debuted a few years ago with the novelty of incorporating Tizen as a version of its operating system, now have begun to appear rumors that talk about a new line of smartphones from Samsung that would take borrowed this denomination. The truth is that the first rumors have appeared under the Samsung Galaxy Z label, which denotes that it would be a Samsung mobile with Android. However, the most important of the supposed Samsung Galaxy Z would come by the design part, specifically the design of the screen. The concept infinity display born under the shadow of Samsung Galaxy S8 would fall short if we contrast it with a conceptual video of Samsung Galaxy Z. The same, as you can see, a Samsung Galaxy whose front is all screen. There is no space for frames, not even the minimum bezels that we see today in the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy Note 8. A renewal of the Galaxy S8. The Samsung Galaxy Z would give way to a new generation of smartphones that really has been on the lips of all of us for a long time, although with little hope of materializing. Design concepts of science fiction. However, patents and technological advances in the hands of Samsung could soon lead to designs of smartphones as shown in the conceptual video of the imagined Samsung Galaxy Z. Throughout the more than 2 minutes of the video, you can see how the Samsung Galaxy Z really is nothing more than a remodeling of the current Samsung Galaxy S8, with the same curved lines and materials, but with a screen boxed in the metal case, without frames completely.